Hello friends, today let me take you through Python loop statements. In Python we have three loop statements: while loop, for loop and nested loop. So what is while loop? So if we have while loop, in that this Python program will execute the target statements as long as the condition is true. Once the condition is false, and then it will exit the loop and it will continue with the next statement. Let me take you through an example. Say I equal to 0. So I have assigned a value 0 to variable I. Now let me go for while loop. While I is less than or equal to 5, print the number is I. Then I will have an incremental I plus equal to 1 to increment. Then print end. Let me run this code. So if you see here, number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put a statement for less than or equal to 5. So it runs till 5, and then at the end it ends with end. So I can have an extra code for this, like I can have while and else loop. So if I put a else loop, so it will check for the condition, and if it is else, then it will, if the number I is greater than 5, and then it will exit the program with this statement: the number is greater than 5. Let me put a statement with 6. If you see here, the number is greater than 5 here. So this is how a while loop works. So next we'll go with the for loop. So what is for loop? It is used for iterating over a sequence. It will go till end of the current set given. So let me take you through a list. Say I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For item in I, print item. Okay, let us see what the answer is. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what it will is like, it will loop through all the items in I and then it will print. We can write this in another format in terms of range. Well, what we can do is like, for item in range, length of the list, list is I. Okay, then what we can do is like to print I item. Let us see how the answer is. You can see it's the same answer: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the previous one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is looping through each item in I, list I. Okay. Now we are done with for loop. Hope you have understood. Now we'll move with the nested I, a nested loop statement. So I will use the same thing. Just I will have another list added. I will have this list added with string. So I have inverted comma in the list. Java C++. Okay. Now what I will use for item in I. Then again I will have another for loop. Insert first for loop for items in J. Print item, then items. You can see here for item in I and item in J. So it is printing 1 and Python, 1 Java. Java, 1 C++. And again 2 Python, 2 Java, 2 C++. 3 Python, 3 Java, 3 C++. It continues in that format. Hope you've understood with the nested loop statement. So now we will see the loop control statements. How we can control a loop. Now, for I statement, if I take for items in I, if item equal to 2, then continue. Or print item. So let us see. So what is continue statement? We can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue the next. So if item is equal to 2, it will go for the item 1 item in I. So what it will do is like, once it finds the item 2, then it will continue. It will continue to the next statement. Continue. Okay, sorry. Continue. You can see here 1, 2 is not there, then it will continue with the next loop. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how continue works. Now next we'll look for break statement. So how break works is, if item equal to 2, then it will exit the statement. For continue, how it is like, it will, if item is equal to 2, it will not display that, it will not pick that, and it will continue with the next items in the loop. But whenever it's break, if item is equal to 2, then it will stop there. It will stop the execution. Let me check. Sorry. See, if item is equal to 2, so item in 1 it printed 1, and then when it is 2, it stopped, and it is not continuing with the next items in the list. So this is the major difference between continue and break. So next we'll go with the pass statement. Say I have I is equal to this. Now sometimes in our program, normally we will be having, if anything, anywhere we have for loops, we will be writing the statements for that. But sometimes we may leave the statement and we don't want anything to print. So we'll just continue with pass. If you don't put this pass, we'll get an error message. So for not getting any error message, we are just putting a pass statement. So this is why we are putting a pass statement. So these are the these are the conditions in loop statements. Hope you have understood the loop concept. If not, you can comment it in my inbox, in my comments section. And if you have liked my video, please press like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.